said Ricers.
No?
No.
Maybe that's our last name. I don't know. Anyways, here is more places to rent. And little old fire truck. And walking down to the pool.
That's where we're gonna go.
Yes. How do you like the campground?
Love the campground.
Yeah, it's cool. This is definitely a top one. For sure.
Very nice.
It is. Gotta get a water view. For sure.
Yeah.
Watching people back in. What is it about it, huh? On the campground. We all stop and we all want to watch. It's a big one. All right. Show you around the park a little bit. Here's laundry. Some showers. I believe this is the clubhouse, but I also think you can rent out rooms upstairs, and there is the main dock.
It actually says Yellow Jacket Church.
Oh, it's a church. And this cute little barn that probably have events in, I believe they said. None right now, of course. Here is the boat ramp. It's closed because the river's so high. Look at that water. It's like so flooded over there. Crazy. We do need to go to the pool.
My legs would love it right about
But there's no pets in the pool. Nice pool area. Nobody here. I mean, for an overday weekend. It's crazy. Oh, there's a little hot tub. Probably a little warm for that. Man, this is nice.
that. Really nice.
Getting into this. Getting into this.
Can't see that.
Yes, that would be good. And more cabins. And Rudder stopping to go to the bathroom. You're on a mission, aren't you, bud? other one's a bite. Early morning, making our breakfast. Is what summer camping is, if you ask me. Got people by on their golf carts, chasing bugs. Are you flying your drone? Oh, he's flying the drone. And check out this view. The drone's coming in hot. That was really close. Oh my. We got cookies.